what's up? I'm Steve. Hope you're doing amazing today. In this 3-minute guitar lesson, I'm going to teach you I Won't Back Down by Tom Petty. It's not that hard. I think it has 4 total chords and it's really cool. So let's just get right to it. All right, I'm going to begin here with an E minor, no capo. It goes, I won't, D major, back down, G major. Now, I did, from the E minor, I did the D, but if you add your thumb on the 2nd fret of the low E string, it does this little walk up to the G, like that. So E minor, D, G. That's a great way to add a little bass note to it. Won't be turned around, does it again. And then it goes, you can stand me up, that's E minor, at D major, at the C major, and I E minor to D. And it repeats the verse, but after that, it goes really fast from G to C. You can play it maybe with your pinky like this. You know, so when it goes into the chorus, hey baby, so it goes G, C, hey, G, D. So this G becomes this sort of like pivot point the whole time. Listen to this. G, D, G, C, G, D, G, C, G, C, G, D, D major, and I, E minor, D major, G. I won't back down. G, E minor, D, G. And that's really it. Then it does this cool, you know, guitar solo and all that. But the key was going from G, C, G, C, G, D, G, C, G, D major, G, C. So you got to go back and forth and then give it this kind of strumming. Ready? Minor, D, C, E minor, D, G. And a key is you don't even have to worry about that pinky or the high part of that G. You can go. If you try to not hit that E string right there. Pinky if you want to right there. All right, super cool, super fun, just 4 chords back and forth, and it makes a beautiful strumming song. Isn't it great for strumming? Just a super positive, fun song. All right, let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll catch you next time for another 3-minute guitar lesson. See ya.